Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Beauty by Alin. Thank you for clicking on my video. I'm really excited to share this fun eye look with you guys. I had a lot of fun making this video. It's definitely out of my comfort zone. I hope you enjoy this look as much as I did because it's such a fun, vibrant, out of the box look for me. So I'm really excited to share it with you guys. I already have my eyebrows done, so I'm going to go in with a concealer. And I'm going to use Shape Tape Concealer all over my eyelids. It's just to really help neutralize, brighten up, and give us a nice clean blank canvas. So now we're gonna set our eyelid with the Kat Von D palette. I'm gonna be using this shade. I'm gonna put this all over my eyelid. Just pat, 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 and then lightly dust off. Today I'm mostly going to be using a palette that I had not picked up in such a long time. Coastal Scents 252 Ultimate Eyeshadow. The first color that we're going to pick up is going to be this hot pink, and we're going to use that as our transition shade. And per usual, I'll be using my Anastasia brush. I'm going to start by picking up this hot pink shade with the fluffy side. So starting on the outer corner, I'm going to start bringing it inward. Just very slowly. So just blending that on the crease and then bringing it up a little bit higher than the crease. Okay, so now that we've placed down the pink and blended it in, now I'm going to pick up these two purples right here. I'm going to start with the lighter one and then the darker one. With the flat side, we're going to grab the lighter shade, and I'll be placing that on the inner corner of both eyes. Now we'll grab more and place it on the outer corner. Going back with that light purple and start blending that together. I'm gonna keep blending and blending and blending. Now I'm gonna pick up that darker purple and place that in the same areas, the inner corner, outer corner, and then just drag it. And keep blending, blending, blending. Alright, so now that my eyes look like this, I'm going to grab my secret weapon. It's the Kat Von D Whiteout Concealer. I love this because it just makes everything so much more intense because it's like white, and of course putting a white base and then color on top is just like bam, in your face. So we're going to put some of this on our eyelid just to make the blue that we're about to put on be even more intense. I just grab a little bit and put it right here just because I put it straight on my eye. This is going to pick up pigment from whatever I have on and it gets it dirty, and I don't want to do that. So I'm just picking up a flat shader brush now, and I'm going to pick up some of that concealer. And now to place it right where I want the blue. So now I'm going to pick up this blue here and this one here. I'm going to put this first, and then I'm going to put this one on top. So grabbing the darker one, I'm going to place that on the lid right where I put the whiteout concealer. And getting out of the line is totally fine because we're going to go back and blend that in a little bit. Now that came up here, that's totally fine. Now picking up that lighter shade, I'm going to place it on top. See how it makes it pop a little bit more? Now we're going to pick up the dark purple again. I'm going to place it on the inner corner and drag it into the blue. It doesn't have to be clean. It can be totally messy because we're going to blend all of them together eventually. Well, at least here. Here we can go back. So picking up that light blue, I'm going to go over it again. Now that we have a really fun, colorful eye like this, we're going to go and line it. I'll be using this Drama Queen liquid lipstick. Now grabbing a fine eyeliner brush, I'm going to pick some up on the tip of the brush. now that we have our beautiful wing, we're gonna go ahead and do lashes. Don't you just love how much a different eyelashes make? Totally different person, right? For my primer today, I'll be using the Blemishless from Laura Mercier because I've been breaking out recently. So I'm gonna massage that in my fingers all over the face. Now I'll be using the Huda Beauty foundation that I finally got my hands on. I am the shade Latte. I will tell you guys this foundation definitely oxidizes. I'm gonna grab a pump of this. And of course, I love using my More Pacific Radiance Botanical Oil. Drop some in there, mix it up. The other day, I wore the foundation. I picked up Baklava, which is shade 340, and I grabbed it. I was like, oh, it's just a little tanner. It's okay, I like being a little tan. Wrong. Let me tell you, I got home and my husband was like, who did your makeup? That looks really tan. That's not your color. I don't like it. I was like, oh my gosh. He was just going off about how it didn't match. I was like, well, I guess honesty is key, right? He cracked me up. All right, so now I'm going in with my foundation brush, and this one is a crown brush. And so this foundation is super pigmented, like super pigmented. That's why I really wanted to mix it with my oil. I mixed it with the oil because it just was too thick for me on its own. Like, it's pretty thick, but it covers really well. I will tell y'all, I do not like the smell of it. It's like rosy. And although I like other rosy things, this one is like a powdery rose, and I do not like that. It only lasts about a minute or so until it dries down. So making sure that I'm really blending it in because you cannot leave this unblended at all. I'm gonna grab my Real Techniques blender and just pat that on my face. Right, now I'm gonna grab my Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer from Laura Mercier. We're gonna blend that in. Now to set with Laura Mercier, of course. To dust it off. Now using my Anastasia bronzer in the shade Saddle, I'm gonna grab a big fluffy brush. Now grabbing that light blue, I'm gonna place this on my lower lash line area. And with a little bit of that purple. Now grabbing Glow Getter from the Nicole Guerrero palette, I'll be placing that on my inner corner. Grabbing my Little Baby Blush Gold from NARS. And more Glow Getter. I'm going to be applying that to the highest points of my face. Now grabbing Santa Monica Boulevard from NARS. Now with my Caution Mascara for the lower lash line. I did the Sephora Collection Liquid Lipstick in number 41 on the outside part of my lips, and then to make them look pouty, I went in with the Makeup Forever Liquid Lipstick in shade number 105, like in the center. So this is the finished product. That's pretty much everything as far as this whole look goes. I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. I also hope I was able to teach you something new and fun that you can incorporate into your beauty routine. If you have any questions, any comments, please let me know down below. Let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see in the future. I'd love to hear that, because sometimes I feel like I'm creative and then sometimes like, I just go in like a funk and I don't know. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. You enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see y'all next time.